I got this idea from this YouTuber Tees. He has a Tacoma and he has an EloGPS with Camry, and it came with the EloGPS that the dealership refused to remove. And so the YouTuber Tees showed how to remove it and where to locate it at. So it is very simple. There's a couple clips here. Just remove this. Gives you easier access. So this is GPS. But these guys, they just tucked awesome, excellent work behind some carpeting. And then you can just see the GPS is just hanging right there. Right there. I'm gonna lock that. Okay. And it's just zip tied to that thing up on top. So, and then the original is right here. Oh, let's see if I can show you. Right there. Right there. So let me separate this crap and put the original on. And it's pretty simple. So let me see if I can do it. Alright. I'm gonna leave this, hopefully. It's a good angle. Alright. That shit out. Move this up, this down. Take the old plug out. Right there. Did it. Hopefully it's a good angle still. Oh man. Man, you gotta clip this bullshit. There's a red light blinking green and red. I just snip this zip tie right here. Oh, there it is. That's it. Oh, it's no longer blinking. That's it. Boom. Man, that's so simple. Just like the guy said. Wish I would have done this sooner. So I'm going to plug in the regular OBD. And that was like a realistically 1 minute job. This is my dash cam plug. And the stupid dealership refused to remove it because I did not want to pay for this GPS. Never once did I use it. Yes, sir. Alright. But you know, I should leave another review on how to remove it. That'd be a great idea. Oh my God. Well. Right there. And we're done. Simple. Look at this shit. So the other guy, he opened this up. He said there's a SIM card and a battery in there. Oh. Yeah. That's it. I'll put the SIM card in the spare phone, see what happens. But probably no reception. It's already been years after service. Cool. Thank you, Tees. That's it. Chuck it.